So if your car is low on windshield washer fluid, it's very simple to refill. Simply pull the lever to release the hood. We're gonna go and open up the hood. Fingers underneath till you feel something. Push it to the right side. Opens up. Now we find the correct bottle. It's gonna be this one right here. Now that you know where your bottle is for the windshield washer fluid, just get any kind that works for all season. If it's cold outside, obviously, depending on your region, and just start pouring in. You can use a funnel, especially if you're outside. You don't want to get it everywhere. Otherwise, you just kind of go slow. If you spill a little bit, doesn't matter. It's not gonna affect anything. Done. Make sure you close the cap.